Making the simplest decision can lead to a greener lifestyle. Yan ang mantra ng SM Supermalls kasabay ng kanilang iba't ibang sustainability efforts. Narito ang agenda report ni Ched Gatchalian.
Hindi lang satisfaction ng mga mamimili ang prioridad ng SM Supermalls. Kasama na rin dito ang pagtulong nila sa kalikasan at kapaligiran. Nagbalik tanaw ang SM Supermalls sa kanilang mga sustainability efforts sa nagdaang 2025.
Sustainability is never static, it's an evolution. Okay, so we evolved from learning from how we recycle water, how we manage electricity. Beyond just managing waste, waste has to be going to a solution.
Pagdating sa e-vehicle charging stations, malapit na raw maabot ng SM ang 100% installation nito sa lahat ng malls nationwide. Libre ang pagpapakarga sa mga e-vehicle charging station. Pinakita rin ng SM ang tinatawag nitong MOA Sky, ang solar-powered rooftop nito na may nasa higit 200,000 solar panels bilang parte ng commitment ng SM Supermall sa paggamit ng renewable energy. Ipinakita rin nila kung paano gumagana ang mga SM recycling machine.
We put on the recycling item, so it must be detected and you have to do it only one at a time. Once it's detected, it will close the door, make sure that your hands are away from the door, and you are done. So eventually, we will have incentives for this.
Sa pamamagitan ng Sustainability Digest ng SM Supermall sa kanilang website, mababasa ng publiko ang iba't ibang detalye ng sustainability journey nito na sumasaklaw sa pagprotekta sa malinis na hangin, pagpapanatili ng malinis na kapaligiran at pagtitipid ng enerhiya.
Through this digest, we get to promote in one document a list of our sustainability efforts. The SM Green Movement is what we call the campaign or the movement that focuses on the three main pillars that are essential to the corporation. So that's waste management, energy efficiency, and water conservation.
Everybody talks about sustainability today. At this point, if you just look at the mall operators, obviously we are the largest. We lead in that because of our scale, because of our footprint. Always wanting to be the first mover. Always that hunger to really look at being the first, to really look at being the pioneer in certain aspects.
Tuloy rin ang rainwater harvesting innovation ng SM Supermalls, katuwang ang Science and Technology Department at partnership sa ilang mga local government unit. Anila, hindi kompetisyon ang effort sa sustainability, kundi isang sistema o kultura na kailangan ng bawat kumpanya. Para sa agenda, Ched Gatchalian, Billionaire News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.